Hi everyone, Chris Hale here from Profit Squirrel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fantastically well. First things first, have you subscribed to the Profit Squirrel YouTube channel yet? If you haven't and you're interested in making more money online, if you're interested in match betting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, make sure you don't miss out on any of our latest videos, which are going to be giving you the tips and the events and the steps that you need to follow in order to make more money online every single day, every single week. So in this video, what I want to do is address a question which comes up every now and then, and that is, when should I start the daily offers? You know that the daily offers are a great source of profitability, but people often wonder, when should I actually go on to them? When should I stop doing the welcome offers and get stuck in to the different types of offers, the different markets that are available in the daily offers section? To answer this question, what I'm going to do is share with you a video that I made for the Profit Squirrel members. This is a video that is normally in the Profit Squirrel members area, but as this is a question that people are asking quite often, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to share that answer with you here on this vlog. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this answers all of your questions. If it doesn't, drop me a comment below. I love to improve. I love to see what we can do to serve you guys better. I'll see you all in another video very soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Some of the most common questions we get from members is, firstly, when should I move on to the daily offers? Secondly, how will I continue to make profits once I've completed most of the welcome offers? And finally, I already have some bookmaker accounts before joining Profit Squirrel. How will I continue to make money with these? Well, you'll be glad to know that bookmakers equally reward existing customers every single day, beyond the welcome offers, and Profit Squirrel will show you how to continue making money from these offers. Yahoo! These offers are called daily offers, and in this video I'm going to 1. Explain when it's the right time to start making money from existing accounts and daily offers. 2. Show you how to find the best daily offers. 3. Let you know which offers you should get involved with right away. And 4. Share some top tips for maximizing your profits. Let's get started. 1. When is the right time to start making money from existing accounts and daily offers? In order to become familiar with completing offers for existing bookie accounts and to maximize your profit, it's important that you have completed some of the welcome offers in order to learn how to make matches, and that you've attempted a few casino offers under the casino section. It's also important to have enough funds available to float your match bets in the exchange. The more money you have available, the faster you'll be able to complete the offers, and therefore you'll be making profits faster, as well as being able to make more profits by using your free bets on higher odds. So really, the answer to this question is move on to the daily offers when you have some experience placing match bets and casino offers, and when you have enough money in your betting exchange or across your exchanges to float bets. If you don't have enough money to float, build up your bank by completing as many welcome offers as possible. You should make an easy £800 to £1,000 from the welcome offers alone, so this will get you more than on your way. Number 2, how do you find the best daily offers? Your first port of call should be the daily offers section of the Profit Squirrel website. It's one of the most popular sections, with members regularly telling us it's one of the best features that we offer. The support team here at Profit Squirrel HQ work tirelessly every day to scour every bookmaker site and make the best value offers available to you every single day, saving you tens of hours of time that you can be spending on making money. The Profit Squirrel team will categorize the offer, for example, horse racing, casino, football, etc., and they'll also note the expiry date and time, so you can prioritize which offer you want to qualify for now. Casino offers usually run for a longer period, so you can enjoy these profit-making games in the evenings after work. Because there's something always available at different times, then it's easy to fit the daily offers around your lifestyle. Each offer includes direct links to the exact offer, so you don't need to waste time finding it. We trawl through the long-winded terms and conditions, and we only highlight the key points that you need to be aware of, such as the minimum odds, which markets are eligible for the promotions, any wagering requirements, etc. All of this is under the summary section. We also break down the best way to approach each offer within each daily offer too. And if you need to ask a question or get help on a daily offer, you'll always be able to ask the community in the Profit Squirrel forum, or alternatively in the Profit Squirrel members Facebook group. Bookmakers will also send offers to the email address and mobile number you used when registering. With the Profit Squirrel training under your belt, you'll have no problem completing these in a way that locks in profit. If you ever have a question on an offer that you've received directly from a bookmaker, just ask the community. There'll be many other members who know how to complete the offer in the right way so that you're not gambling and that you're locking in profit. 3. Which offers should you get involved with right away? I would suggest starting with a style of offer that'll be most familiar to you. So, firstly, take a look at the weekly free bet club offers. These are a great source of recurring weekly profits. Secondly, take a look at horse racing. There are some great techniques here that you can use to make hundreds in profit each month. Thirdly, I'd recommend checking out the casino offers. Some of these are totally risk-free, whereas others have what's called a positive expected value, meaning that you should profit over time, and some members have won thousands of pounds. See the individual guides on these offers for more information. After warming up with those profits, you'll want to check out our arbing and price boost threads. These can be really nice quick profits that can add up extremely fast. 4. Top tips to maximize profits. Tip number 1 is complete the bookie's welcome offer. Before jumping into a daily offer from a bookmaker, make sure you have completed the bookie's welcome offer. Do that first. You certainly don't want to miss out on these low-hanging profits. Tip 2 for maximum profits, opt in for promotions. There should be an opportunity to opt into promotions when you first sign up to the bookmaker. This means that they will send extra free bets and incentives to your registered email and your mobile number. If you didn't do this when signing up, there'll be a way to enable it on your account, for example by doing it like this. If you're not sure how to enable promotions on a certain bookmaker, get in touch with their support, either via the live chat or their Contact Us page. You can make use of the Profit Squirrel tools and community to figure out how to complete the offers that they send you. Tip 3. Time efficiency. When you first started, it probably took you a little while to get a single offer complete. Watching the video, registering the account, depositing, finding a match, putting it all into the calculator, and then finally locking in your profits, it can be a little bit to get your head around to start with. Once you're much more experienced, you must aim to complete the entire process in about 5 minutes. In an hour of betting, I can easily get 5 or 6 different offers done, or more sometimes. You just need to practice a bit and get comfortable with where everything is and what the process is. You don't have to, but I highly recommend using a desktop computer or a laptop with a mouse to complete the offers, rather than using a mobile phone or tablet. This is because it's easier to move stuff around and you can see more on the screen at the same time. You'll probably find that the effect that this has on your productivity is incredible. Tip number 4, learn not to care too much. Simply scan down the daily offers section every day and choose a few offers to complete. You'll always see a huge variety of different offers, and it's okay to have your preferences and your favorites. Some offers are a lot quicker, easier, or more profitable than the others, but it's important that you step out of your comfort zone and try different offers. Don't worry too much about how much you made. As long as you're completing offers with a positive expected value, i.e. you will make money, which here at Profit Squirrel we make sure all daily offers have, the profits will soon stack up. Focus on getting as many offers done as possible and make sure you track your profits in the My Stats section. And tip number 5, maximize your profits by using an alternative exchange. Betfair Exchange is great. They are the best on the market in terms of liquidity and availability. However, they charge you 5% commission. Try switching to an alternative exchange to maximize your profits. The best alternatives at the time of recording this video are Matchbook and Smarket. Matchbook is a great exchange but tends to have lower availability than Betfair, and this is not normally a problem for big events, but you might find it challenging trying to find a good match on smaller events. Smarket is hands down the most popular exchange for match bettors. They love to use it when laying off bets as they only charge 2% commission compared to Betfair's 5%. Over time, this will save you a lot of money. I recommend using Smarkets whenever it's possible to make a good match bet with them. Next steps. If you think you're ready, head over to the daily offers section and complete at least 2 horse racing offers, 2 casino offers, and 2 weekly free bet club offers to get started. Secondly, check your junk or promo folder in your email for any bookmaker promotions and mark the email address as safe so you don't miss out on any offers that are sent directly to you from the bookmaker. If you've received an offer from a bookmaker and you're not sure how to use it to make a profit, post about it in our forum and ask the community. And thirdly, when you're ready, have a read of the guides on arbing and price boosts. These are nice quick ways to lock in profits with just one match bet. Any questions at all, get in touch with us here at Profit Squirrel or drop a line in the forum. And as always, let's make money every single day.
Yahoo!